You're pregnant. You have a terrible breakup with your spouse. Will you allow him in the delivery room? It's both y'all's first child. Yes, he can come in the delivery room. I mean, it's my spouse. We might get back together, who knows? And I mean, I'm still need him to drop off them dollars. I need the Benjamins. I need him to bring the money when he comes.
That's not even a question. You're not getting anywhere near me. That's it.
Child, we took it too far.
Yes, so I can punch him when I'm in labor, immediately. Like, it's still his child, so he can come in. Might piss me off, that's a good reason to punch him and say, oh, I was in labor. Boom, that's it.
May not talk to him, but you know, he'll be there.
Why? Is that really, are you really, you in the, no. At all. Like there'll be security posted outside by the delivery room, no.
So, hold on, if I'm not there, who else is gonna be there? It's called being a father, you know? So it doesn't make any sense that, I understand we have our personal issues, but at the end of the day, it's two people, father, mother. So we're gonna do this together, and I'm gonna be in that delivery room whether she wants it or not.
I wasn't gonna be there anyway.
Fuck you.
I don't want to see that. You know, I don't want to see that spectacle. It's gonna be disturbing, and there'll be two babies in that room.
I mean, I'm a big, for real, I'm big. But if she says no, there's nothing I can do. Because she could say no, and I show up, and then before you know it, something gonna happen. You're gonna start be like, can't breathe. You know?
If my presence is gonna be a hindrance for the delivery of the baby, then I can respect her decision for that.
I might have you come in like at the last minute just so you can be a part of the experience, so I'm not on some like selfish shit. But I would be like highly irritated, and you're already going through all of that pain, and I'm looking at this fuck ass nigga that cheated on me while I'm in, like having contractions and stuff. It's like, I don't want your energy around me. It's like probably towards the end you come in, slip in, do your daddy yay, and then you're back in the doghouse after the baby's born.
At the end of the day, you want to make sure everything goes smoothly. I'll be terribly upset, but you know, it is what it is. It's for the woman and the baby. So.
Yep. He's coming in because he's going to see what he did to me. He's going to feel the pain, and he's not going nowhere. He's going to give me water, coffee, iced tea, Kool-Aid, whatever I want. He's bringing it.
Ain't nobody that damn petty, you know? You would want that person to be there to experience something that's so beautiful. But you best to believe, motherfucker, you're going to be on child support. You feel me?
I'd be upset, but I would have to understand what she feels like because I cheated on her.
Why would you be in the delivery room with me when we're not together? You're looking at my vagina now. Why? No.
I mean, if we're not together, we're not together, and that's cool. I'm not gonna be down there looking at her vagina, stuff like that, make her feel violated. But that whole experience of a child coming into the world, I feel like it is something that's supposed to be shared by the father and the mother. Obviously, the mother has the closer connection to the child, which is way more of a reason as to why the father needs to be there at the end of the day. Like,
In the first 2 weeks, he will be up at night, not me, until I feel better. But he will be there.
Yes. I will let him come into the delivery room because at the end of the day, he is the father of the child. Just because we got into an argument and we didn't work out, it doesn't mean that, you know, like why would you do that to a man? Like, let him see his child.
there's no greater feeling than to see your child come out fresh and you get to hold your child. I think that's a real dope feeling.
It would kill me. Like, if that's my first child, I have to see what is going on. I have to be there to cut the cord. Who gonna cut the cord? If it's not me, the doctor, your brother? Nah, it's not happening. We're gonna fight. somebody in there's getting whooped, but I mean, I'd have to fess into my mistakes and say I'm sorry.
As a baby is coming out, you want to be there. This man who was cheating on me? No. Obviously, you'll be involved in the life of the child. That has nothing to do with you being in the delivery room. There was a point in time where men weren't in the delivery room to begin with. It's not by force that you must be in the room. So, no.
I'm be sad, man, if she doesn't want me to be there. I'll be really sad. I'll repent. I'll be like, I'll hate the fact that I did what I did. but I want to be there. Do you find it somewhere in your mind to forgive me so that I can see this miracle? Or not? Please now.